Hey y'all, what's good? It's your girl Nai, and today we're doing a relaxing nighttime shower routine using lavender scented products. So first things first, I'm going to cleanse my face, and I'm using the CeraVe cream to foam cleanser. Since I purchased this, I've been so obsessed with this cleanser because it's just super cleansing and non-stripping, and my face does not feel dry after using it at all. And I really enjoy using this product at night to get rid of any sweat or dirt or anything that's, built up during the day. So after rinsing off that cleanser, I'm just removing any excess water off of my face, and I'm going in with this Teamy Blends detox mask for the aesthetics. Plus I haven't did a detox mask in a while, and I absolutely love this mask. For this mask, I definitely recommend not applying it in the shower because my face was a little too damp for my liking. But yeah, all in all, I still love this detox mask. So now I'm just making sure that my body is nice and wet, so I go ahead and cleanse my body. And my first soap that I'm going in with is the Dow antibacterial lavender and twilight jasmine scented Dow bar soap, along with my African bath sponge, which I love using. Like, I just can't get enough. And since this soap is antibacterial, it is perfect because, with everything that's going on, we just gonna go ahead and cleanse all the germs off the skin. And I just love how cleansing and non-stripping this soap is. Y'all, this bar soap was smelling so freaking good. And can we talk about this lather, honey? Like, yes, get into it. That is another reason why I love Dow's bar soaps, because that lather is giving what it's supposed to give, and your girl just felt oh so clean afterwards. If you made it this far into the video, and if you are new here, hey, my name is Nai and welcome, and I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. It is absolutely free, and while you're down there, also hit that bell so you can be notified whenever your girl posts a new video. So this was my first time using exfoliating gloves, and all I could say is 10 out of 10, highly recommend. I don't know where your girl been, maybe under a rock, but I'm so glad I got my hands on these because baby, they was just so freaking amazing. But the soap that I'm going in with is the Degree Maximum Recovery Body Wash and Soak with Epsom salt and lavender extract. And y'all, oh my freaking goodness, this body wash right here was super cleansing, non-stripping. The scent was like out of this world. Like, it just has that really powerful lavender scent, so I just felt so freaking relaxed and calm. And also it was hydrating as well. I definitely want to try this in like a bubble bath or whatnot, because it does say that it has Epsom salt in it, which is really good for like, relaxing your muscles and things like that. But y'all, after I rinsed this body wash off, like, my skin just felt so freaking good, and I just felt so relaxed and calm. Plus, using those with those exfoliating body gloves, like, it just took it to a whole nother level. So I could have stopped at that Degree body wash because it was so hydrating and cleansing, but since I was being extra this night, I'm going in with the Soft Soap Luminous Oil body wash with lavender and coconut oil. just for smell and also extra hydration. And I'm using that body wash with my silicone loofah, which I've been obsessed with ever since I've got it. Like, it just takes my shower to a whole nother level. Like, it's just super relaxing, and the bristles are just so soft. And also it's hyperallergenic, so you don't have to worry about any germs getting into it. So now it's time to take care of the downstairs area, also the back end, and I'm going in with the Honey Pot Normal Feminine Wash, which is my favorite all-time OG product to use. So after cleansing my body, I'm just taking my towel to pat my skin dry, but my skin is also going to be a little damp so that way it can absorb like any of the moisturizing products that I'm going to follow up with. So the first product that I'm going in with is the Dr. Teal's Bath and Body Oil in the scent Lavender. And y'all, oh my gosh, the scent of that lavender inside that body oil was just hitting the spot. Like, I just felt so calm, so relaxed, and it was super moisturizing as well. Like, oh my gosh, I did not feel greasy or anything. It just absorbed into my skin really, really nice. And it was super lightweight. Hey y'all, so I'm just going in with this Arm & Hammer deodorant, and the scent is, whew, y'all, that's my chair making that noise. See? But anyways, the scent is rosemary lavender, so this was perfect for this shower routine. And I absolutely love Arm & Hammer's deodorants. This just smells really, really fresh. It kind of reminds me of like cologne, but it still smells really, really good. Y'all, I feel so freaking good and smooth, and I just feel so freaking calm and relaxed. This was the perfect shower routine, and it's definitely gonna be my go-to, especially if I'm having like a long, stressful day. Like, that was really, really good. And pretty much all the products that I used in that shower routine was pretty new. The only thing that wasn't new to me was the purple bar soap. It's the purple bar soap from Dow, and it's like lavender or something. And I kind of know what soft soap body wash are like, but that was a new scent to me as well. Y'all, that freaking Degree body wash, oh my gosh, like, it had that lavender scent to it, and my skin just felt really, really nice and hydrated and smooth. I don't know if it's because I paired it with the exfoliating gloves, but whew, my skin just felt really, really nice after rinsing that body wash off my skin. But, oh, child. The lotion I'm going in with is this Raw Sugar Sleep Well and Restore melatonin lotion, and it has magnesium, lavender, and hemp seed oil. So, oh shoot, the thing is still on. So like I mentioned, when I hauled this lotion, I think I mentioned that it's kind of hard for me to sleep at night, so that's why I wanted to try this out. So hopefully, since it has melatonin in it, it's good. But yeah, I'm already feeling like nice and relaxed, so hey, we'll see. But y'all, like I was saying, oh, I put too much on. Oh, but like I was saying, that shower routine was really, really nice, and I just really, really love taking showers because that is my time to myself. I don't have to worry about being nobody but myself. I ain't gotta worry about being a wife. I ain't gotta worry about being a mother. Like, that's just a long time to myself. And I definitely take my shower time for granted because, like, I just be feeling so good in there. You know what? It's okay to be a little selfish at times. Oh goodness, y'all, I put too much lotion on this arm. Let me go ahead and work this in. Y'all, look at this. Oh my gosh. But yeah, like I was saying, it's okay to be selfish and have that alone time because it is well worth it. Self-care is super important. I really, really love self-care. Because, like, you don't want to lose yourself, you know? So definitely take that time out to just, you know, focus on yourself. Have that time to think, relax, all that other good stuff. So yeah, come on, lotion. I don't really smell lavender in this. It's kind of like light, but it's okay. So I just got done putting on that lotion everywhere. A little bit of this does go a long way. So if you do try this lotion, make sure you keep that in mind. Because as y'all saw, I had like a whole bunch of freaking lotion on my arm. So yeah, but this lotion is really, really nice and moisturizing. And yeah, it's nice and thick. A little bit does go a long way, like I said. I don't have any lavender scented body sprays or perfumes or whatever. So I'm just going to use this Beloved Coconut and Warm Vanilla body spray. This is a really nice light scent, so it's perfect for bedtime, especially if you don't want to go to sleep with like a heavily scented product. So yeah, just gonna spray this on. Put my pajamas on. Y'all, I just got these new pajamas from Walmart. I think I'm gonna do the haul after I finish recording this video, so y'all can see everything else that I got before I go to bed. But yeah, it just says Caffeine Queen, and it's this really cute tie-dye color, and it's super freaking cute. Ooh, look at my hair. But yeah, it comes with matching bottoms, which is super cute. So yeah, I think I'm gonna record that video before I go to bed. And yeah, go ahead and spray myself, spray my pants. This freaking body spray smells really, really good. It's nice and light. But yeah, let me go ahead and close out this video. All right, y'all, so that is the end of today's video. I feel super nice. I feel super relaxed, calm, and I'm just ready to KO, like right now. But this video was super fun to record. It was very soothing. Oh my gosh, y'all. If y'all ever get a chance to do like a lavender scented shower routine, definitely do it, especially at night, because baby, you'll be feeling real good. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video as much as I enjoyed making it for you all. If you did, don't forget to give your girl a big thumbs up, like smash that like button right now. Also, comment down below, what are your favorite body products, shower products that you like to use in the shower? What scents do you like to use? Let me know inside the comment section down below. Or if you just want to say, hey girl, hey, go ahead and leave that inside the comment section as well, because y'all know I love chit-chatting with y'all. And if you're new here and you haven't subscribed to my channel already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell so you can be notified whenever your girl posts a new video. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.